Hi guys, you are welcome. In today's lesson, let us provide solution to this past wire question before us. So the question says we should find the missing angles, okay? Angle X, Y, Z, and W. So first, to start with, let us concentrate on the top of this figure. We can see that all the angles formed here are on a straight line, okay? And from the property that all the angles form on a straight line sum up to what? 180 degrees. So you are not wrong if you say 40 plus x plus 30 degrees equal to what? 180 degrees. The reason is that they are angles on a straight line, okay? So when you sum up this, you have 180 minus this plus this gives you what? 70, okay? Therefore, your angle here is equal to what? 110 degrees. So we've gotten the value of what? X. So furthermore, you observe that in this figure, remember angles formed on parallel lines, when you have something like X shape, okay, your angle here is equal to angle here. The reason is that they are vertically opposite angle. So therefore, your X, okay, angle S is equal to what? Angle Y, which is equal to what? 110 degrees. So your Y now is now 110 degrees because it is what? Vertically opposite to what? Angle X. So we've gotten two of the angles. So you come back to this very diagram, you observe that from here to this point form a triangle, okay? And if you look at it well, the two sides of the triangle are marked, telling you that it is what? An isosceles triangle, okay? And in isosceles triangle, the base angles are always what? Equal, okay? So if the base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal, so we can use sum of angles in a triangle to get this value of the base angles, okay? So let's call this S and this S, okay? By using sum of angles on a straight line, sum of angles in a triangle, sorry. So you have your Y plus, let's call here S because they are the same, okay? Plus X again, okay, equal to what? 180 degrees, sum of angles in a triangle. So from here now, your Y is what? 110 degrees, okay, plus 2S equal to what? 180 degrees. So you have 2S equal to 180 degrees minus 110, okay? So when you subtract, you have 70 degrees, okay? You divide both sides by 2, and you divide both sides by 2, you have it that your X is equal to what? 35 degrees. So your 35 degrees, that is X, the base angles, okay? This means your Z equal to what? 35 degrees, and your W is equal to what? 35 degrees, because they are base angles of an isosceles triangle, okay? So this is the solution to this very problem. Thanks for watching. Follow for more. Bye bye.